Hi, this is Willow from the Pomeranz Business Library. Today we're going to use InfoHawk Plus to find books and other library resources. So I'm going to start here at the Business Library homepage. You can start at any of the University of Iowa Libraries homepages, and you should see a box that looks like this that says Search InfoHawk Plus. And the first question usually is what is it searching? And as it says, it's searching the UI libraries resources. So it's searching many, most of the resources that the libraries has. So we used to call it something like a library catalog. And I feel like that's what maybe public libraries still use that terminology a little bit, which is something that's searching the catalog of books that we own, right? All of the books. But now we have so many other things. We don't just have books, right? We have databases and we have DVDs and microfiche and special collections and archival material. And so this searches most of all of those things. It doesn't search everything. It doesn't search every article in every database. I think it would just be too slow. So a lot of the databases, you still have to go into them separately. But if you're looking for something like books or some physical materials that the library has, this is the best way to gain access to those. I can easily just type in something right here, and I'm going to search for operations management, and we'll see what kind of results we get back. So as I mentioned, right at the top is a journal called operations management, and then there's a book, an ebook, a bunch of different things here. Looks like mostly books, but as with other resources, you can use the sidebar to do some refining of your search. So I can say, okay, actually, I was actually looking for articles. So I could click on that box and refine. And I can see now things change here, right? So this is an article on big data analytics. Looks like I can get straight into the PDF. Workforce agility, right? All kinds of information I can get here on operations management in article form. And so should be able to click into any of those. But then I'm like, actually, I'm going to reset that and I'm going to say what I want is books. So then I can say show more here on resource type and I can select books and refine. And then I'm back to this list, okay? And maybe I want to look at something quickly, so I can just say like, okay, this is an ebook. Let's see if I can gain access right now. And I can click in and go through eBook Central and quickly get into the book, right? And I could download it or I could read it online. So that's a nice way to quickly get into a resource that I might need. So the main thing with this is within each of these, there is information, right? So if we scroll down, we can see the title and the author. So for each item that the library has, there is information like this. This is called the item record, right? So this is where you find out like, where is it and how do I get access and things like that. So always be aware that that's what will happen. So for example, this one, which looks like it's a physical book, we can click into this record and see that it's at UI engineering, and there's actually a book, right, a folio, and then there's also a CD-ROM as well. So pay attention to that information. That will help you kind of figure out what the item is, but also be available over. Realize that there's lots of things that are just online as well. So keep aware of your options down the side is most important. So I hope that gets you started using InfoHawk Plus. Thanks.